25 years of caring for other people, and I almost lost myself. That actually happened to me. Guys, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Nikia. I've been a nurse for 25 years, and after 25 years, I was burned out. I was exhausted, overworked, underpaid, all of the things. And I knew that I was not going to be able to do this for the next 5 to 10 years. I had to find something that was going to bring change to my life. So that's when I took to the internet and I started looking for something that was going to help me change and shape my financial future, because the math from those paychecks was not mathing. Okay. So after searching on the internet, this is when I found a step-by-step system that has taught me how to make money from my phone in as little as 2 hours a day. What was so cool about it though was I didn't have to make any cold calls to any strangers. I didn't have to chase my family and friends. I didn't have to have a huge social media following or any tech experience. And now I have no more exhaustion, no more burnout. My life feels like it's moving in the right direction, and I'm so happy because I got my time back. Imagine making a change in your life, something that can change your financial future, something that's powerful enough to set you free from the pain of burnout and exhaustion, okay? And if you would like to see a copy of the blueprint that's changed my life, then click on the link in the description and I'll be more than happy to share it with you. See you on the other side, my friends.